Hi guys, this is Masin Yazai, uh, and today I wanted to install React application, React front-end framework. Sorry for saying the application, front-end framework on my PC. But during installation I faced these problems, two problems. So I thought that by making this video, it will save you a lot of time and headache. So first, when we're creating this React app, I went to reactjs.org, official site of the React, and then they say that when you want to create a React app, you just write this command on your command line, whatever is your command line, EPERM or anything. Mine is git bash. So when I write this command and I execute this command, you see this, we get this problem. So the problem was that operation not permitted mkdir. So what this basically is telling that my personal computer or my operating system does not allow command line to make changes on my desktop, on my desk. So, and the easy solution is to run it as administrator. So I closed it and then come again and right click on it, run as administrator. If I run this this command, it will give me a problem like package.json app data folder, because npx react native init error. So if your PC name has a space between, so it will give you an error, and the error is npx react does not contain something like this. It's a question in here, but the complete error you will see when you try this command. So for fixing this second problem, which is told in here, if you face it, if you don't have a space, then it's no problem, you can go on. But if you face this problem, you can put another command on your git bash, which is npm config set cache, and wherever is your user or your PC name, just put a little tilde between two words of your PC name, and then dash global. After putting this command, it will clear your computer, your git bash cache, and then see I previously put it in here, and you see it reconfigure my npm cache. Sorry guys. So then if you if your application is successfully, then you can run the npm command. So let's just I would like to create a new like template, and remember guys, your application name could not be React itself, and it could not contain capitalized letters, and it will continue. That was the two problem solution. Hope you enjoyed it.